Hello everybody, my name is Alex and today I'm going to talk a little bit about drug tourism. So, I'm going to explain what is drug tourism, people who are interested in this, leading countries of the world, drugs in Amsterdam, Thailand, Mexico, and finally I'll make a conclusion. So, what is a drug tourism? It's travel to another country to buy or take legally drugs. Some examples for Thailand or Amsterdam. So people who are interested in this, first of all, teenagers, because they consume drugs in discoteca or probably drugs. People who realize by this way is some people, for example, who consume marijuana, and people dependent on drugs, like people who take cocaine. So I choose for countries to Spain, like Thailand, Mexico, Amsterdam, and South America. Drugs in Amsterdam, you have a coffee shop where you can take and buy drugs, but you must have 18 years old. Another thing why people go to Amsterdam is red light district, but I'm sure you know what is. So drugs in Thailand. A lot of tourists travel to Thailand to buy drugs. But in this country, drugs are prohibited. People who was arrested have a capital punishment. Drug tourism in Mexico, a lot of people go to buy drugs, and in Mexico you have a drug museum. It was found in 1985. You can see some pictures about it. In this museum, they show how they transport drugs, and this dog found is dead, but he is in museum because he found 3,628 kilos of drugs. So I want to show you two diagram. It's about people who once in life take a drugs. You can see America is #1 leader. Spain is here. It's about marijuana, and one more is about cocaine. In the States, is a leader, is a world. So, in conclusion, I think drugs is the reason why young people or teenagers, English, go to another country. Because they can do things what can do at home. So, but consume drugs have a consequence. You can observe that, and everyone choose self-life. So this is my presentation. If anyone have questions, you can ask for that.